So are you needing the perfect solution for filtration, screening, or particle analysis? Well, you've probably heard of square wire mesh and mini mesh filter cloth. But which one is best for my operation? Don't worry, stick around and I'll tell you everything you need to know. Hey there, what's up? My name's Andrew Kotlar, and woven wire mesh is a versatile material that delivers optimal performance to countless industries. But while all wire mesh may seem the same, it's really important to know how much mesh can vary, like for square wire mesh and mini mesh filter cloth. But how exactly does square mesh and mini mesh compare? W.S. Tyler has been a prominent woven wire mesh manufacturer for over 150 years, supplying customers with mesh solutions of all forms. And in this video, we'll go over what square wire mesh is, what mini mesh is, when you would use one over the other, and how the two compare in cost. Square mesh is a form of woven wire mesh where mesh is woven with weft and warp wires that have similar wire diameters. This weave type typically comes in the form of plain weave, intercrimped weave, and pre-crimped weave. Regardless of what square mesh variant you select, you can purchase square mesh in rolls or cut-to-size panels. Mini mesh is in the W.S. Tyler family of filter mesh, but that said, filter mesh is a series of wires typically constructed from a metal alloy that's woven together to form pore openings that are rigid and precise. These pore openings are implemented to filter contaminants or extract a filter cake. Square mesh is a versatile material because it's often applied to both screening and filtration applications. The square profile of the mesh openings allows for thicker wires to be used and larger mesh openings to be achieved. So to that end, because square mesh can be woven with either a square or rectangular aperture, it's the predominant mesh type used to construct fine wire cloth vibrating screens. Square mesh can also be used to filter our larger particles, like the contaminants certain plastic extrusion and die casting operations encounter. Since thicker wires can be used, square mesh is employed a lot as a protective layer that preserves the more delicate filter layers within a multi-layer filter. Mini mesh weave patterns are explicitly designed to deliver desirable filtration. As 6 customizable weave types fall under the mini mesh product line, it's ideal when cleanability, precise cut point, adequate flow rate, blinding, and durability are a concern. That said, filter mesh is commonly used to filter transmission fluid in the automotive industry, filter blood and facilitate medicine distribution in the medical industry, and filter unwanted contaminants in the plastic extrusion industry. So bringing this full circle, determining whether to use square mesh or mini mesh falls on the mesh application. If you're looking for maximum durability when screening aggregates or filtering larger contaminants, square mesh will best suit your needs. On the other hand, if your operation involves the filtering of finer particles and you wish to achieve adequate flow rate and cut point, a mini mesh weave pattern should be implemented. Whether you're investing in square mesh or mini mesh, the overall cost of the mesh is ultimately dedicated to the needs of your application. Things like layer configuration, mesh size, wire diameter, and weave pattern all play a role in the cost. And also, any sort of post-weaving process like calendaring, heat treatment, ultrasonic cleaning, welding and pleating, as well as special requirements like DFARS compliance will drive the cost. Now, to that end, mini mesh will typically cost more to implement than square mesh. This is because mini mesh weave patterns are more intricate, requiring more labor and attention to detail to weave successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click that second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things W.S. Tyler. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.